Okay, so before moving on, I want to give a little bit of intuition about the probability formulas that we were using in the last video. Um, so let's just start by looking at the simple probabilities, the marginal probabilities. So let's think about the probability of it being Monday. Okay, so we can kind of depict this graphically if we first create a space here, sample space, or it's called the sample space, that represents all of the possibilities, so every possible day here. Okay, and so every possible day is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All right? And the area that represents Monday, I'm just going to fill in with yellow. And the way that we are visualizing or can conceptualize the probability then of Monday is, so the probability of Monday is this filled in square here divided by the entire area of all of the possible days of the week. So it's every day, which includes Monday, which includes the thing that we're trying to find the probability of. Okay, so no big deal there. The next basic one is the probability of rain. Okay, and so similarly, I am going to create a sample space to begin with, and here I'm just going to represent it again just with this box, and we're going to assume that there is just two possible states. It's either raining or it's not raining. And so I'm going to divide this box in two like this. Oops. Okay. And this top section is going to be the possibility, oh, I need to change that, is the possibility of raining, and then the bottom is going to be no rain. So in order to visualize then the probability of rain, I would just simply take, so here's the area representing rain. I'm filling that in. And so then the probability of rain can be visualized by the filled in area divided by the total area. Okay, so those two should be pretty easy to understand. All right. So the next one, or the next type of probability that we'll look at is going to be a conditional probability. So let's look at the probability of rain given that it is Monday. Okay, so I'm going to start by creating my sample spaces again. So when I had the days of the week, I'll recreate that. I had days of the week here, and so I had Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. These should all, each box should be the same size, but okay. So now on top of this, I am going to put my other sample space on there, which was what we were using to represent the possible weather, which was just rain and no rain. And so I'm going to lay my sample space down on top of that. Okay. And I'm going to, again, divide it into the appropriate sections, where the top part was rain and the bottom part was no rain. Okay. So in order to identify our conditional probability, the probability of rain given that it is Monday, I'm going to first find the thing that I'm conditioning on, which is Monday here. And then I'm going to find within that space, right, given that it is Monday, so I'm relegated, or I'm confined to just when it is Monday, I'm going to find when it's raining. Okay, so with that, I can visualize the probability of rain given Monday as this section right here, the blue and yellow colored box or overlaying boxes, divided by the entire size of the box, again, which includes the part that's raining. Right? So that's how we would visualize the probability of rain given Monday. Okay. Now, what if we wanted to go the other way? What if we wanted to find the probability of it being Monday given that it was raining? Okay, so I am okay. So I'm going to start by putting in the sample space about for the weather, which is the thing we're conditioning on. And if you remember, it looks something like this. Okay, where this area was rain, no rain. Okay, and so given that it is raining, and then I'm going to lay on top of that the sample space for the days of the week. Okay, so we had Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. So again, we want to find the probability of it being Monday given that it is raining. So given that it is raining means that we are confined to this top part of the larger rectangle, of the blue rectangle, because that's when it's raining. And then we want to find within there, when is it Monday? And it's right there. Okay. So, so the probability of Monday, given that it's raining, it's going to be equal to the box where it is both rainy and Monday, and this time divided just by the probability of it raining, which was the top part of the first sample space there. Okay, so now you'll notice that both in the probability of Monday given rain and the probability of rain given Monday, we are looking at, for the numerator of our probability expression here, we're looking at the same upper left corner of our picture, right, here and here. And the thing that changes is the denominator. Whereas with the first conditional probability of rain given Monday, we were looking at just when it was Monday, right, which is this area right here. But when we were looking at the other conditional probability, the probability of Monday given rain, we're looking at when it is rainy. That is the thing we're conditioning on, and that's what's in the denominator, and that's represented here by this top part. Now, in both cases, the numerator here, this is the joint probability of rain and Monday, okay? Which can equally be called Monday and rain. And so then we can see that one way of writing the conditional probability, so in this case the probability of Monday given rain is the joint probability divided by, in this case, the probability of rain. Similarly, for the first expression up here, for the probability of rain given Monday, we can see that the probability of rain given Monday is equal to the joint probability, the same joint probability that we had below, but now changing the denominator, this time the denominator being the probability of it being Monday.